Welcome to this guided mindfulness meditation on letting go. Find a comfortable seat where you won't be disturbed for a few minutes, sitting tall and alert yet relaxed. Beginning with your eyes open. Take a deep breath in and release the breath. Take another deep breath in, and this time as you release the breath out, slowly close your eyes. Just allowing your breath to settle into its own natural rhythm. Briefly bringing your awareness to the body, scanning down from head to toe, building up a picture of how you are feeling right now. Being open to any sensations or thoughts or feelings, without judging anything you experience. If you notice any tension in the body, allow this to soften and release with each breath out. And just bringing your awareness back to the flow of the breath now. Observing your breath where you notice the sensation of breathing most strongly. Focusing your attention on this point and following each breath from the beginning of each inhalation through to where the in-breath stops, pauses, and turns into an out-breath. Follow the breath as it flows naturally, without controlling it consciously. And each time you notice your attention being pulled away by distracting thoughts, feelings, and sensations, just notice this has happened and let go of the distraction before bringing your attention back to the breath. Notice each new breath as if it were the first breath you have ever taken. Again, noticing where your mind is, and with openness and without judgment, just letting the distraction go without attachment. Bringing your attention back to the breath. Just allowing your focus to relax now, and letting the mind do whatever it wants to do, whether that's continuing to follow the breath or just being distracted. Allow it to relax completely. Take a moment to notice how you feel right now. Letting go takes practice. When we learn to be better at it, we give ourselves the choice of what things in our day we become involved in. We can make a conscious choice instead of reacting automatically to situations. We can notice anger and fear and choose to let go of them. This starts in our practice and spills over into the rest of our day. And now, start to bring your attention back to the space around you. Slowly moving your toes and fingers. And when you're ready, slowly opening your eyes. See if you can notice a thought, feeling, or sensation today, and sit with it, not react, and let it go. Thanks for joining us, and I look forward to seeing you next time.